here we are at a little beach out in Lawrencetown, and you can see the waves are coming. The seas are rough. This is normally all beach right here, and the waves are coming right up to the rocks. Look at this. You can walk usually all along here. It's all sand, and here comes the waves. Wow. And this is just the start. It's still a ways off. Hours. The main part of Teddy is still hours away. This is just the outer bands. Okay, now we're at Lawrencetown Provincial Beach, where they do the surfing. We're gonna run up these rocks because it is windy and raining like crazy right now. All right, let's go check out these waves. Here's the sea break. Down in Seaforth, Nova Scotia, just a little bit farther down the road from Lawrencetown, maybe 10 minutes. A lot of surfers surf out here, and we happen to be right across from Hope for Wildlife, which is the wildlife rehabilitation and education place where the injured and ill animals go. They have a TV show. All right, let's go look at these waves. All right, look at that. Here we are in another location. We have this giant seawall made out of rocks, and we'll go check it out, see what's happening here. You can see all the brown in the water from the roughness. It's kicking up all the sand and the ocean floor along the coast. Let's see. Climb up here. Oh wow, here we go. That one was a bit close. Maybe we'll stay a bit farther back. She's pretty rough. Alright, now we're at a new place known as the Moose, hence this giant moose here, but it's actually called Silver Sands Beach Park. And we'll go down here and see if we can get a shot of the water. And there's actually a surfer straight out there. If you can see them, probably, I don't know if you can make them out, but there he goes right over the wave right now. Surfing's quite popular down this way.